In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut to superimpose a face image over your video, a fun and creative way to enhance your footage. Whether you're creating a humorous clip or a cinematic adventure, this technique can add an extra layer of intrigue to your videos. Firstly, let's talk about prepping your face image. You'll need to cut out the face using external software or utilize a green screen PNG. This initial step is vital because the quality of this cutout will affect the final look. Ensure that the image is crisp and clear, with no leftover background unless you plan to blend it with your original video. Remember, the cleaner the cut, the more seamless the superimposition will be. Next, you'll want to import this face image into CapCut and strategically position it above the subject's head on the timeline. This step involves precise placement, as you'll be layering this face to follow your subject throughout the video. It's essential that the alignment is accurate right from the beginning. This will save you time when you start adjusting the movement later on. The key to making your face image come alive within your video is using keyframes. With keyframes, you can track and move the face along with the person in your footage. This might take a bit of trial and error, especially if your subject is moving quite a bit. Carefully adjust the keyframes at different points in the timeline to ensure the face moves naturally and stays in sync with the subject's movements. Don't rush this part, as keyframing often demands a keen eye and steady hands. Now, on to blending. Adjusting the opacity and feather is crucial for better blending of the face image with the underlying video. Typically, lowering the opacity slightly and using a feather effect can help the face blend in more naturally, softening edges and creating a more cohesive look. This step is where the magic happens, turning what might look like a stark pasted image into a realistic element that integrates flawlessly with your footage. Finally, to add a little extra flair, consider incorporating a zoom or shake effect if the scene calls for it. These effects can introduce an additional layer of dynamism, enhancing the overall visual appeal. A slight zoom can create a dramatic emphasis, while a shake effect can add energy or humor. Use these additional effects sparingly to enhance the mood you're aiming to establish without overwhelming your audience. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to use CapCut to introduce face images creatively in your video projects. Follow these steps and you'll be able to add an element of surprise and uniqueness to your creations. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.